Hello, everyone. Welcome to KiawiTechIT Academy. This is a very short video dedicated to show you how you can access whatever has been shared with you using Google Drive. Now, remember, we asked all of you to submit your request to a form which we use to capture the data that we need to be able to provide you access to the welcome package and also to your class video folder. Now, you are informed that everyone is always supposed to use the official KiawiTech Gmail account when it comes for such permissions. Okay, your official KiawiTech Gmail account is in the format your first name dot your last name dot KiawiTech@gmail.com. So that is the account that we captured in that form that we sent to you to respond to, and we have used those accounts to actually grant you the permission to your welcome packages and also to the class video folder for your respective classes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you actually can do that. So we're going to use a browser. You can use Google Chrome browser. To see, I'm not going to be using it, but if you like to use it, fine. We also have other browsers like Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. As you can see here, I also have it, but I'm not going to use it. You may not be having Firefox. You may not be having Google Chrome. That is if you have not yet installed it on your computer, right? So you may not also be having Edge, it depends, but most of you will be having Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to be using Edge for this demo. So I type here Edge, and then I see Microsoft Edge. I'm going to click on it. Now it's loaded. The next thing is for me to get into Google Drive. Remember, I'm using a web browser to do this. There are other ways you can get into Google Drive, right? But I'm using a web browser to do this. Now, I can literally just go in here in the address bar of the web browser, and then I type google.com. Look at this, google.com. And then I press enter. It loads up google.com, and I can go over here to these 9 dots over here. I go over here to these 9 dots, and then I can just click on the 9 dots and I look for Drive. If I don't see it, I can scroll. These are Google's features and products, right? So I can scroll down here and I say, oh, this is Drive, and I click here. And now it's requiring me to sign in, to log into the Google Drive using an account that has been granted the permission, okay? This is because I am not already logged in to Google using any account. For now, I decided to sign out from all accounts so that I can do this demo. But for some of you, when you log in, you will notice that if you had already logged in, right, when you try to get to Google Drive, if you had already logged in previously on that browser, it's just going to take you into the home page of Google Drive. Now, it did not take me to the home page of Google Drive directly because I had logged out from Google Drive. Now it's requiring me to log in. I'm going to use this account here, IT instructors to log in, but you will have to use, if you are also in the same page with me, you will have to use your official KiawiTech Gmail, account. So it's going to require you to put your password. You go ahead and type your own password for your official KiawiTech Gmail account. And when you put the password, it's going to take you into the home page of Google Drive, right? It's going to take you into the home page of Google Drive. So right now, it's logging me into the home page of Google Drive. Oh, there. I can see I'm there. I'm in. So right in here, this one that is highlighted in navy or in sky blue, sorry, is actually telling you that this is the active tab right now that you are watching. So the active tab that I'm watching is my drive. Remember, there is my drive, there's computers, there's shared with me, there's recent and all of that, right? So your drive is just like your own space on Google Drive. That is a storage where you can actually, store your pictures, documents, or whatever, videos, whatever you want to keep in there. By default, Google gives everyone 15 gigabyte free, okay? 15 gigabyte free. So we have 2 terabyte because we exhausted the 15 gigabyte free, and then we had to buy more storage. So you can also buy more storage if you ever need to do so. Okay, so we got more storage. Meanwhile, here and for this demo, we are not concerned about my drive, right? This demo is not about my drive. This demo is about what we have shared with you guys. We have shared with you. If you click here on the shared with me, which is our area of concern, if you click here on shared, oh my God, give me a moment. If you click here on shared with me, this is the point where you will see everything that we have shared with you, okay? But even if you click on shared with me without making sure that you have accessed Google Drive with the right account, over here, you see that you have to check which account am I actually using to access what has been shared with me. If I click here, if I put my mouse on these, if I just put my mouse on these letter icon over here, if I just put my mouse there, it will tell me the account that I'm actually using to access what has been shared with me will pop up, and I'm going to look and say, okay, the active account, because you might have several, so many accounts listed there, but which one is the active account that you're currently using to access what has been shared with you? So if you look here and you see that it's not your official KiawiTech Gmail account, by just putting your mouse there, you don't need to click, just put your mouse there, and you see that it's not your official KiawiTech Gmail account. You can literally just click there. I've just clicked now and choose the right account, okay? And choose if the right account is not there, you can add another account, okay? You can add another account. Now let's assume that I'm using the right account. So I'm using the right account, which is this one, okay? This is the account I want to use for the demo for what has been shared with me. Okay, so with that said, your area of emphasis on the left-hand side is actually on what has been shared with you and not on your drive. So this sky blue, this highlight of sky blue should be on shared with me and not on my drive. It is, if it is on your drive or on my drive, you will not see it. You will not see what has been shared with you because that is your own drive. That's where you keep things that you don't want to let others see except you share it with them, okay? And of course, I'm going to click on shared with me, and you see that it's going to be the sky blue now is highlighted on the shared with me, right? Right on shared with me, I can already see what has been shared with me, the welcome package, just as you will also be seeing if you are using the right, if you're accessing it with the right account, and if you have met the requirements for us to be able to actually share that with you. So if you look here, what has been shared with you and with the right account, you can see, I can see welcome package for batch 14. I'm going to, it's a folder, guys. It is a folder. Look at it, look at the symbol here. It is a folder that has been shared with you. In that folder, there are other stuff in there. So you can literally, since it's a folder, you have to double click to open the folder. When you double click, you have other stuff in there, and you can see the course structure. If I double click on the course structure, you can see this is the course structure. You can right click on it and download it. Okay, you can right click on it and download the course structure. This is the syllabus, so you see what we are going to treat all the way to the end of this training, and you can also use that to plan to read ahead of time before every next class. And you can also just double click on it to watch online, view it online if you don't want to download it. It's possible to do that. Now, still in the welcome package, I go back to shared with me. I double click on the welcome package because it's a folder. I double click on this other subfolder, ebooks and notes. These are some ebooks and notes that we've shared with you. You can literally just download, right click and download, or you just click and watch and view it directly. online. I go back to shared with me and I open my welcome package again. I see software. This software, it is a requirement and obligatory that you have to download it and keep it on your computer, right? Because it is not something that you'll be able to download during class time when we need it, okay? So you have SQL Server Enterprise editions. We have other editions that we're going to be sharing with you. We only share with you when it's time for us to use it, okay? So we'll always share with you, and you will tell you what to do. So you're going to double click on SQL Server Enterprise Edition. You see this is the file inside. So you right click on the file and then you can download it. And when you download it, it will go, usually when you download this one and then you also go back one step, you can just click up here, softwares. You also open the SSMS and then you right click and download SSMS file. There are two things. For now, you have to right click and download the SQL Server Enterprise Edition file. This is it. I go to software, I open SQL Server Enterprise Edition, I download this 2019 SQL Server 2019 Enterprise Edition, okay? And then I click and I also download this file SSMS setup. Okay, now please, when you download, usually it goes to I bring my File Explorer here. When I click on my File Explorer, you can see that I can literally go to my left pane and click on download, and it's going to show me all the things that I've downloaded, right? So we want you to copy those two things that you have downloaded or whatever that you've downloaded and create a folder on your desktop, call it software, okay? Or you can just create a folder on your desktop called KiawiTechIT, welcome package. And then in the welcome package, you create a subfolder called software, and then you put these two files, these two software that you downloaded, put them inside the folder called software, because we're going to be using them, okay, all through this training. And that is how you access what has actually been shared with you. That is for the welcome package. Remember, we have also shared with you the class video folder, where you would always see the videos that we post after each class, right? So it will depend on the class in which you are. If you are in B14.1, you will see another folder. Apart from the welcome package, you'll see another folder that has been shared with you called B14.1, right? You will see the folder shared with you. If you are in B14.2, you will see B14.2. If you are in B14.3, you will see B14.3, depending on your class. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on the B14.1 or B14.2 or B14.3. For now, I'm going to click on B14. Let me click on B14.1. So I'll go on B14. Now I'll go with B14.3. B14.3. So B14.3, you can already see the videos that we've been uploading, and we have actually already granted you access to these videos. You can literally just watch them online by just double clicking on them. You can just double click and watch it online, or you can as well right click on the video and you download it to watch at a later time, even offline. When you download, it simply means that you can still watch it offline, even without but if you want to watch online, then you don't need to download it. Or anytime you come to that folder, you just double click, the video is going to start playing for you. Okay, so this is how you're going to access your welcome package and the class video that has been shared with you. A summary of everything we've done. Please make sure that you go to your web browser and type either drive.google.com. It will take you directly to Google Drive, or you type google.com, you go to the 9 dots on the right-hand side and select Drive. It will take you to it. If you need to log in, make sure you log in. If you're already logged in, check and make sure that you are actually logged in with the right official KiawiTech Gmail account that has been granted access to your welcome package and the class video folder. Now, when that is checked and confirmed, you can now make sure that you click on Shared with Me on the left pane. Do not stay on Drive. Okay, make sure you click on Shared with Me. It should be the navy or the sky blue highlight should be on Shared with Me and not on my Drive. So you click on Shared with Me and you'll be able to see what we have shared with you. Thank you so much We hope that this video helps you to easily access your Google Drive and see what we have shared with you.